So then ideally, if you need this stuff, this repeat, you'll get it when you watch the video. Okay, first one. So x cubed plus 64. You need a calculator out. Grab it if you don't have it, please.
Shane, you want to grab me one?
I know you were gonna have me.
Okay, where is my
Yeah, you're on video though. Just be careful. All right, so obviously the patterns are up here too, so you don't have to have them memorized from the video, but let's try them. You have to identify what A and B are to do an A and B pattern. So you need to come up with the cubed root of those numbers. Some of them are easier than others, but your calculator can help you.
What page?
This is section 5.4, the special patterns. You have to figure out what the value is that's being cubed. That's A. And then the B value is the second value that's being cubed. So the A value is X, the B value is not 64. What number times itself 3 times over gets you to 64?
4.
4 times 4 times 4. So our A value is X, and our B value is 4. If you do not know that, the calculators can do that for you. And maybe I'll show it to you on the next one. Let's just get this pattern going. Trust me on this one. That might take longer than I want. Some of the non-graphic calculators are better at that. All right, so going with the sum. So it's X plus 4, because our A value is X. X plus 4, parentheses, X squared minus 4X plus 4 squared. So once you have your A and B values, it's really simple pattern. A, then B, then A squared, A times B in the middle, and then B squared on the end.
Is it AX?
A is X, so you're asking why it's switched this way? Is that what you're saying? Because whenever you do a
Can't
number,
do X4.
yeah, you always go to. Okay, simple enough? Let's try another one. Go down to C, please. C. Okay, so before we get to the special pattern, you should probably look for a greatest common factor. We didn't have one on A, but do we have one here? A greatest common factor on C. I went to C, not B.
Yes.
We can take, what about Z's? What can we take out? 2.
2 squared.
I got a 2Z squared. Okay. So that has to come out front, the 2Z squared. You can't let it disappear. Just comes out front. And then what's left over? Minus. Good. So 125 because the z squareds cancel. So our greatest common factor has been taken out. Now, is 8 a cubed value? Can I find a number times itself to get to 8?
Yeah.
2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. What about 125?
5.
Good. Morning, Red. I'm going to show you how to do this on your calculator in just a minute. So if you're lost with how to find the 2 and the 5, just hang in there. A is 2. 2 what? I should be more careful with that. 2,
Z squared.
just 2Z. 2Z, and then B is 5. So A is 2Z, and B is 5. Okay, so the pattern goes, and you can obviously follow along. So it goes A, then B, then A squared. How do you get 2Z to be squared? What's 2 times 2? And Z times Z. Good, so 4Z squared. A times B. So 10Z. And then B squared. So I'm trying just to do the pattern without the add subtract, so we'll put that in the middle. So this is A, this is B. What is this value again? I missed the squared, didn't I? Where does that one come from? Where does 4Z squared come from? It's A squared. 10Z is A times B. And 25 is B squared. And then now you do the SOAP. You do the same, the opposite, always positive. So the same is subtract, opposite is plus, always positive. Okay, I'm going to turn off the video. I'll do one more with you.